Math Grade 6 Week 6. Multi-Step Problem Solving. Involving Whole Numbers and Decimals. By Sir Jerome D. Capalad and Ma'am Jonelyn A. Capalad. To the viewers. The content of this video lesson is from Mathematics Module Grade 6 provided by DepEd San Pablo City through the assistance of DepEd Region 4A. If there are errors that you noticed, kindly inform the teacher so that necessary actions will be administered. Please refrain from posting it on social media to avoid misunderstanding and do not let your rant be the subject of your posting. Thank you and God bless. Reminders on the answer sheet in math. You will use this answer sheet in math for week 6. No need to use extra sheets if the solution fits on the space provided. The questions and activity can still be found in the module. For Santa Maria Elementary School, Ma'am Jonelyn have a different answer sheet than this one. Kindly wait for the answer sheet that will be provided by her. Thank you. After going through this lesson, you are expected to solve multi-step problems involving multiplication and addition or subtraction of decimals, mixed decimals, and whole numbers including money using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools.
Learning Task 1 Practice Only. Watch this video and answer the question on page 28. Ready, steady, watch.
The 4 Steps in Problem Solving. By 3J Cap Creations. Understand the word problem. Plan on how to solve it. Solve the word problem. Check and review your answer. To understand the problem, you need to know some details of it, like what is asked. The given. Hidden question. After identifying the facts, you can now plan what to do. Identify the operations, mathematical or number sentence. Illustrations or drawings can also help you. You can now solve your word problem. Remember this abbreviation SAL, or the solution, answer, and label. This is the most important part and the only part that you will write on your answer sheet. You need to be sure that your final answer is based on the plan you have decided. Check for errors in your solution. Let's have the summary of this video by listing in your mind the 4 steps in answering math word problems. You have 20 seconds to answer. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. See if your answer is correct. The one with the blinking lines are the correct answer. Remember, in answering word problems you need to understand, plan, solve, and check.
Learning Task 2 Practice Only. I am going to guide you in number 1, then do number 2 and 3 and learning task 3 on your own to have independent learning. Mr. Fernandez earns 28 pesos and 50 centavos per hour as an office clerk. He earns 1.75 times as his regular rate for overtime. His regular work is 40 hours per week. He gets overtime pay if he works more than 40 hours. How much is his total earning if he works 45 hours in 1 week? First step is understand. What is asked? How much is his total earning if he works 45 hours in 1 week? To get the total earnings, you need to find out first the amount he gets for 1 week and the amount gets for overtime. So the hidden question is, How much is his regular pay for 1 week? How much is his overtime pay? What are the given facts? 40 hours, 28 pesos and 50 centavos, 1.75 times, 45 hours. Second step is plan. What is the operation to be used? To know the operation, you need to analyze the question and find keywords that will help you think. In the asked there is the word total. This signifies that you will add. In hidden question 1, you need to find out the amount he gets for 40 hours work. This means you need to multiply it by the hourly rate, which is 28 pesos and 50 centavos. In hidden question 2 you need to find out the overtime pay, so, you will multiply 28 pesos and 50 centavos by 1.75, then multiply it by 5, which is the overtime hours. What is the mathematical or number sentence? We will derive our number sentence from the asked and hidden questions. Since there are hidden questions, we usually put it as inside of a parenthesis. If you can't picture out this solution, you can try illustrating or drawing it. Third step is solve. Since we have multi-operations, we start the computation of those expressions inside the parenthesis to follow the correct order of operations, as what is stated in PEMDAS. Kindly look at solution 1. For solution 2, we will multiply first 28.50 by 1.75. For solution 3, we will multiply the answer in solution 2 by 5. For solution 4, we will add his overtime pay and regular pay. Make sure that you rounded the answer in hundredths or 2 decimal places to indicate money. Write again your answer. This time you will put all the labels needed to answer the question. Without the label, the answer have no sense or it's not a complete answer. The last step is to check and look back for errors. Try ask yourself the following. Do I have any errors on computation? Does the answer make sense? Is the answer not awkward in real life? Learning Task 3 page 28. Learning Task 3 page 28 to be submitted with computations. Write the solve part on the answer sheet. Learning Task 4 page 28. Learning Task 4 page 28. To be submitted. Write your created word problem, WP, and solve it. It could be routine or one-step WP or non-routine. These are the possible scenario that you can use in building your own word problem. You can use this as your guide or you can have your own scenario. Make sure that the given facts are related to the scenario. Since the given is mostly fruits, the scenario could be on a fruit stand, or selling fruits. 2 tickets can be at the cinema, concert, carnivals, and others that use tickets. 3 The scenario could be working in office or having a job at a fast food chain or others. 4 It could be the distance traveled by a taxi driver, jeepney, or tricycle driver. 5 It could be about.
Thanks for watching and see you on the next video lesson in Math Grade 6.